This 14-inch YOSUKATA carbon steel wok has a traditional round bottom that excels at high heat stir frying and delivers the smoky restaurant-style flavor many home pans cannot match. The thick, hand-hammered carbon steel distributes heat very evenly, so searing, deep frying, and smoking all feel controlled rather than finicky or unpredictable. Once you take the time to season it properly, the bare steel develops a slick, naturally non-stick surface without any synthetic coatings or questionable chemicals. The heavy-gauge construction and welded joint between the bowl and wooden handle give the wok a solid, professional feel with no looseness or wobble during vigorous tossing. Its long, comfortable wooden handle stays manageable over powerful gas burners or open flames, making it a strong choice for backyard cooking and camping setups. Despite its substantial weight, the wok stores easily, and the included care guidance makes it straightforward to maintain the seasoning and prevent rust over the long term.